Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi, this is Mel. I hope all of you are doing awesome. Today we're going to cook this green banana, and as you know, bananas are actually full of lot of nutrition. So we're going to cook this green banana. So I have taken chopped up green banana, and I have taken the skin too. See, here's the skin. So I'm going to cook the skin as well. The banana skins are very tasty, and I'll show you how you can cook green banana along with the skin too. So you have to cut up like little pieces, and they're full of fiber. So I pull out some of the fibers and I throw it, and I have the, say like this, pull out some of the top fibers and throw it because they're extremely fibrous. So they are really good fiber, good potassium, lot of other nutrition in it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to boil this chopped up banana skin and banana for about 20 minutes or so until they are fully boiled, and then you can eat it just like boiled one without anything, or you can add some salt and pepper, put in a bowl, add some salt and pepper and eat it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to boil it and then just going to cook slightly. Just put some spices and salt and pepper and eat it. It tastes so good, and you can eat it as a snack, or you can cook it like that and eat with the rice or bread. But they turn out really amazingly tasty food. So let me just put it for boiling, and after the boiling I'll show you. Hi, so we're going to saute this one. I boil it and I drain it. These are the bananas. These are green bananas and the skin of green bananas. I have a little bit of cumin seed, half a teaspoon of oil, little bit of asafoetida, and I'm going to add some spices. But you don't need to do any of this. You can just put some salt and pepper and eat it. It's very tasty. And so I'm just doing this because I like it spicy. So that's it. I'm going to pour it. In this case, you can have it as a snack. It's a healthy snack full of vitamin and nutrition and lots of fiber. So let me put some spices. I'm going to put only salt and a little bit of turmeric, a little bit of garam masala, a little bit of white pepper. So here it is, and this is so tasty that you're going to eat it up on the pan, or even have the patience to put it in a bowl, because this is extremely tasty, healthy, nutritious. So this is green banana cooked. You can boil it and put salt and pepper and eat it. You can eat it without putting salt and pepper, and you can put some spices and eat it. So it can go any way, but it's really amazing, tasty and nutritious. So give it a try, you will love it. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share, and I'll see you with many more. Bye bye. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.